Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this filter sample video edit on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to kind of like just view like which filter you want to use for your video, but you want to add a lot. So what I like to do is I like to select the 16:9 ratio first, and I like to go to mask and just do that. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to kind of size it the same as the video that we masked, just so that it's kind of like proportionate. Now let's just delete this. I'm going to copy and paste it 4 times, and I'm going to kind of put them side by side for the samples. There's a gap, but I guess that's okay. Okay. Then I like to just go to filters here, and I like to add in the name as well. So for instance, I have this Inception one on this one. So what I like to do is I like to add default text, and I'm just going to type in the filter name. Doesn't have to be fancy, it's just like an example, I guess. I'm just going to put it like in the corner. And then on this one, I'm going to add in another filter, maybe this Warlock one. And again, I'm just going to change the name of the filter, and I'm going to add that here, copy and paste it, and I'm just going to select another video effect. Maybe this, hold on. I need to like, can I do that? Yeah. Maybe this, I didn't really do much to that one. What about this one? Radiance. Okay, I guess we can go with that one. Then I'm just going to type in Radiance. And then I'll add like another one to the last one here. I'll add maybe like a retro one. And then I'll add like the name vintage, so that you can kind of see between these filters, and later you can choose from the one that you like. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!